Hello there, this is the second video on how to solve complex number questions using your Casio 991 ES calculator. Watch the previous video to get basic ideas on complex numbers using the calculator. Now the first thing we want to do as well is clear our calculator. Press shift, press 9, press 3 and press equals to. When you are done with that, press AC. Now let's run through it. Our second question says we should solve this question, we should express this complex number in the form z is equals to x plus iy. Now this is called a polar representation of a complex number. This is called a Cartesian representation of a complex number. Now let's run through it together quickly. Now you can see that our calculator is not set on complex. We set our calculator on complex, press mode and press number 2 complex. The next thing is the angles of this particular complex number is in radian. This is not in degree. This is 2 pi over 3. It shows that our complex number is written in radians. Now, if you look at your calculator properly, right here there is something showing D, which means that our calculator is on degree. How do you move your calculator from degree to radian? Press shift, press mode. Radian is showing at number 4. So we can set our calculator on radian. We are done. Now let's compute what we have here. We have 6 open brackets cos. We have cos. This is 2 pi over 3. Now that 2 pi over 3 is a fraction. You press the fraction button here. Now you write 2. How do you write your pi? This is pi showing here on top number 10. And if you check your calculator properly, it's showing in orange. It's showing in, yes, orange. So you press shift and press this. You can see it. Your pi has appeared. Then you move your cursor down, you press 3. Now we move our cursor. We have to close these brackets because this is the angle of cos. We close the brackets. Then plus, use your ENG button to press I. So you press ENG, is showing I. Then you press sine. Also we press fraction. What we have here is 2 pi over 3. So I'm having 2. You press your pi by pressing shift, then pressing this number here. This times 10 raised to power x. Now you move your cursor down, you press 3, and then you close your brackets. Now remember, initially we opened the bracket here at this point, so we have to close the bracket again. Now we press equals to. Our answer was given to be equal to minus 3 plus 3 pi 3i as our solution to that problem. All right, so we have been able to write it. We can rewrite this as minus 3 plus i3 root 3. We still have the same solution. So this is the solution to that problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe right away and turn on the notification bell so that you will know when we make a new upload. See you in the next video. Bye.